Welcome po sa BIMS App How to Tutorial 05. Sa video na ito, ipapakita natin kung paano gamitin ang Add Fingerprint function sa Barangay Residents Management module. Ang Add Fingerprint ay ginagamit para i-capture and i-store ang fingerprint ng isang resident for identity verification. This is commonly used during in-person barangay transactions, such as requesting a barangay clearance. Before we proceed, importanteng maintindihan ang actual setup ng fingerprint scanner. Ang FingerprintBridge.exe must be running on the server PC located in the barangay office. The fingerprint scanner must also be physically connected to that same server PC. This PC may be the secretary's workstation, especially if that workstation is used for resident biometrics data collection. Important note, the fingerprint scanner must be connected to the barangay office server PC where FingerprintBridge.exe is running. BIMS communicates with the fingerprint bridge through port 51151. So even if another workstation has a scanner and its own FingerprintBridge.exe, the fingerprint capture will not work there unless BIMS is specifically reconfigured to use that workstation's bridge endpoint. Now let us proceed with the BIMS workflow. Una, mula sa BIMS main dashboard, buksan ang Barangay Residents Management tile. Pagbukas ng Barangay Residents screen, gamitin ang search box para hanapin ang resident na kukunan ng fingerprint. I-type ang pangalan or keyword ng resident. Kapag nakita na ang correct resident record, i-click ang row para ma-highlight ito. Make sure na tama ang selected resident before continuing. This is very important because the fingerprint will be linked to the selected resident record. Pagkatapos, mag-right-click sa selected resident row, lalabas ang context menu. From the menu, piliin ang Add Fingerprints. Pag-click ng Add Fingerprints, magbubukas ang Add Fingerprint window. Dito, makikita ang Resident Name field, Fingerprint Image Preview Area, and action buttons such as Capture, Save, Verify, Clear, and Close. Para kumuha ng fingerprint, the resident must physically place his or her finger on the fingerprint scanner connected to the barangay office server PC. Click Capture. The system will communicate with the external fingerprint bridge service. If the scanner is connected and initialized correctly, the fingerprint image and fingerprint template will be captured. After successful capture, the fingerprint preview will appear in the fingerprint image area. This allows the operator to confirm that the fingerprint was captured properly. If the capture is not clear, the operator may click Clear and repeat the capture process. Once the fingerprint is properly captured, click Save to store the fingerprint. The system stores both the fingerprint template and the fingerprint image, then links them to the resident record. There is also a Verify button. This can be used to test whether the newly captured fingerprint matches the stored fingerprint for that resident. The proper registration flow is also important. A resident may first register using email and password, then complete the personal information page, including profile details, photo, and government ID. Barangay officials then verify the account, usually within 24 to 48 hours, and set the status to active or inactive. Fingerprint capture should be done only when the resident physically visits the barangay office. This ensures that the identity is verified in person before biometrics data is saved. Sa right side, makikita ang Add Resident Fingerprint Help panel. It explains what this function does, the registration flow context, when to capture fingerprint, how to use the function, system behavior, important notes, and tips. The most important reminders are: only capture fingerprint after identity is verified, ensure the correct resident is selected before saving, and make sure the scanner device is connected and initialized. In summary, ang process ay simple. Open Barangay Residents Management, search for the resident, select the correct row, right-click, choose Add Fingerprints, click Capture, verify the fingerprint preview, then click Save. The Add Fingerprint feature helps BIMS support stronger identity verification for official barangay transactions. Sa next how-to tutorials, pag-aaralan naman natin ang ibang resident actions tulad ng upload photo and deactivate resident. For now, ito muna ang tutorial on how to add fingerprints to a resident record. Pwede nyo rin pong subukan ang BIMS app mismo. Punta lang po kayo sa BIMS website portal, https://epfcomposite.com, tapos i-click ang Launch BIMS App button. Pagkatapos po, lalabas ang login page. Para makapag-login pansamantala, gamitin lang po ang login credentials na nakasulat sa itaas ng login page. Ang BIMS app po ay online daily from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. for evaluation.